Bone. Where's your bone at? It's right here. Hey, it's right here. Here's your bone. Oh, you got me now. You got me, you little stinker. Hey, settle down. Not so loud, okay? Meadow, what do you want to do? You want to go outside? Maybe run around the snow? Okay, let's go. Oh boy. We got a lot of it already. It's really coming down. She's already running around. It's like, this is fun. What's up, girl? What you thinking? There she goes. Oh, keep on running. You're just so fast. You're so fast. All right, check out these trees. My Lord, it is gorgeous out here. Look at all this snow. You can't even hardly see the ridge over there. It's coming down so good. And here's looking back at the camper. What's up, girl? That's a gorgeous sight right there. I would like to get the hot tub going today, but didn't harvest enough firewood for that, so maybe we'll use some of the spare wood that we have, that pallet wood, get that going. Check out how these plants look with all the snow in them. That's pretty cool. What you got over here, Meadow? Oh, there you go. You coming up behind me? She's just having so much fun. Oh man, big old snowflakes in the eyes. These little pine trees are barely hanging on with all this weight. Up to this point, we haven't had any wind, so none of it's been knocked off the trees yet. Man, this looks gorgeous around here. What are you thinking, sweetie? So quiet. Come on, grow up this way. Come on. You're in full-on run mode, aren't you? It's gonna be all day like this. Come here. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go. Come here. Come on, let's go. Let's go over here. Someone's got the zoomies. Let's go inside. Wanna get some treats? Boy, look at the bike. There's a lot of snow right there. There's the seat. So far we've got, I don't know, maybe 4 inches, I guess, 5 inches. It's gonna keep on coming. It's supposed to keep coming down until I think about noon, and then it's gonna be cloudy the rest of the day, so we're gonna have to conserve our energy. I don't have enough power in my batteries to run all my systems all day and keep Starlink on and stuff like that, which is fine because it's kind of nice to turn Starlink off when it's like this, because you just kind of focus on being in the now. you don't have any distractions or anything like that. But definitely would like to get the hot tub going though. So gonna need to figure out what to do to get it all. Look at that, it's all collapsed in there. Gonna need to get some wood over here, get this all dialed, and then start to get it going. I've got some fuel I can put on it to like jumpstart the fire, and then probably need to clean out the fire pit a little bit too, because there's some ash in there, and make it to where all the coils are exposed, and that way it can really get hot fast, because it'd be awesome to soak in this. So I think that's the next plan, is to go inside, get a few things done, and maybe make another treat or something like that, and then come back out here and get going with the fire. All right, if you hear that, that's the old ATV. All right, getting the ATV all warmed up. We're gonna go out and get some firewood and some more wood for the hot tub, because I've got it, it's getting warm, but I need some more juniper wood, because I've got like this pallet wood, but it just burns so fast because it's not very hard wood, and it's just not in very good shape. We're gonna take the quad out and then go get some more firewood with the chainsaw. And it's snowing still. It still keeps snowing out here. So they said it was gonna stop by 11, and it's still going strong. And if you'll see how much snow there is out there when we roll around. It's quite a bit. So this little one, she's excited. She always loves it when I fire up the ATV. Wants to go riding. So we're gonna hop on that and go jam. All right, come over here, girl. Let's get in the hot tub, or let's get in the quad. Some firewood. Ooh, doggy. Snow. Man, I think we're gonna head down this way because we're going to the lower meadow. I think we almost went off there. Look at all that snow. Just thinking, girl. Wet snow, real heavy wet snow, and it's like it hits my pants and it's like almost immediately melts. So we're gonna jam down here. Hopefully we don't get any snow falling on us when we go underneath these trees. Good. Stay back, don't fall off. on the ground. We'll pass on that just because there's so much snow in it. We can get some dead logs off the trees up here. One thing that's nice about this old growth juniper is that it always has this dead logs that are like attached to the trees. So we'll go through and see what we can find, and just grab that stuff and take it back up there. As long as we have enough to keep the hot tub warm, and then enough for this evening. By tomorrow, this storm is supposed to move out, so we'll be in good shape after that. Process this dead thing up that's on the ground right here. This one is right back there. Alright, we got a situation with Meadow. I was coming down on the quad to chainsaw some firewood, and she was with me obviously right on the front like you see it, like you saw in the last frame. And right before we got to the lower meadow here, there was an animal that darted out from one of the bushes, and I couldn't get a good look at it. I think it may have been a bobcat, I'm not exactly sure. And she went chasing after it, full bore. I was yelling and screaming, no, come back. And I ran after her, and I obviously couldn't keep up. Went up there, got the truck, been driving around, honking the horn, going all over these roads, trying to get her to come, and I've gotten zero, nothing with her. And I just feel absolutely horrible. I feel so irresponsible about this. I thought we'd just go on a cool little joyride and chop some firewood, and then this happens. It's never happened before. And man, I mean, I had a hold of her with one arm, but she's so strong, she just got away immediately, and I just feel absolutely irresponsible. So those are the birds. Anyway, here's the tracks of where she ran to. She was chasing some animal. See these tracks right here, and went back up this way. So I texted my neighbor, that's his property, and I was like, hey man, just a heads up, I'm going to be hiking around your property looking for my dog. So I hope we can find her. Put on my waders because it's really cold out. And this is like the worst condition for her to get lost in, because it's snowing like crazy. Her feet are probably cold. Who knows if she stepped on a bunch of cactus running after that dog or bobcat or whatever it was. It may have been a javelina. It wasn't like a rabbit or anything. It was something a little bit bigger. But, tonight it's supposed to get down to like 19 degrees Fahrenheit. And so I'm going to put my gloves on, and we're going to go look for her. All right, found her. An hour later of hiking around the snow nonstop, and I found her. So don't really know what she was doing. I mean, she was chasing something. But neighbors told me, the neighbor that lives over there was like, look, there's a mountain lion that got both my cat and my puppy all within a short period of time. And they found out where it was. Stay down there. We found out where it was on the property, and that's where Meadow was hanging out at. So just glad that didn't happen. I need to get some snow off the top of the camper cover here. Sorry, I'm fried right now. I'm so tired from hiking around that snow. It was really deep, and I was up and down on the slope, and it was just a lot of work. I wasn't planning on doing this today. So it's the second time she's run off today. She ran off this morning too. Just like I opened the door for a brief second to get some firewood, and she darted out, and I couldn't get her back, and she wouldn't pay attention. So definitely going to be keeping her on leash going forward. I got a harness for her, so that way she's not going to be able to get out at all. And I just got to keep her on leash nonstop. She's not going to like it, but so gonna get the shovel and the ladder, put it up next to the camper cover here, and get this snow off.